Hello everyone, Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Got another great home tour for you today. So we've had some requests for some Boulder City, which if you're not familiar with the greater Las Vegas Valley area, Boulder City is about 25 miles from the Las Vegas airport. So it's all highway miles, so it's about a 25 minute drive with traffic. We have beautiful Lake Mead. We have mountain settings all around. It's got an amazing historic downtown area with great shops and restaurants and those kind of mom and pop places that you don't find in the big cities. But you're still really close to Las Vegas if you need to go to any big commercial stores or whatnot, or if you got to travel, you're only 25 minutes from the airport. So great house to have right here behind me, single story, half of an acre. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 additional bonus rooms. It's got amazing lake views with a zero edge pool. Just gonna let that car drive by real quick. So let's go outside, take a look, and I want to know what you want to think about, or what you think about this house, and yeah, let's go. All right, so here's our home we're going to tour today. So exact square footage is 4,954. So that's just under 5,000 feet. 3 beds. You've got, I mentioned that, the 2 additional offices. It's on a half an acre, pool, hot tub, etc. So what do you see? Here's the neighborhood. Let's kind of just pan around a little bit. So real nice neighborhood, quiet area, really good looking area. And we have Lake Mead's just right over here. So you can see from the front of the house, we have an RV garage, right? So that is 40 foot long. So you could pretty much pull most of your RVs through there, trailers through there, park them. It's also got a pull through on the back end. So it's pretty cool. Home entrance, pulling up to the home. And you do have this little, I don't know if it's called it's probably not a courtyard, but it's like a vehicular courtyard. There's gates right there, so you can close that off, pull through, kind of park behind vehicles behind the wall. Got 2 garage stalls back there. It's about a 4+ car garage. Could maybe even get 6 cars in there, but we'll look at those in a bit. Actually, while we're here, I take that back. Let's just hit up these garages. So here's this little additional parking area, right? You got the 2 garage doors, tall roofs. We got some contractor here. Really deep. Lots of cabinets, high side wall. And then here's the back end of the RV with the pull through, right? So that'd be nice. Just pull your vehicle through if you need some, you want to keep it shut from the front. You're doing some maintenance. Open that up and go from there. All right, let's get to the front door and get inside this home. All right, so just came through the front door. Make sure you stick around. We're gonna, shut that door a little heavy. Make sure you stick around. We're gonna see that backyard with it, and that's what it's all about. So we're just hop in here right into one of the bedrooms. They're all en suites, all really large rooms. So really big rooms, high ceilings. You got shutters all around it. Walk-in closets. We'll just kind of pop in the bathroom here. This is going to be the smallest bathroom of any of the bedrooms in the house. So you just got a sink and you got a walk-in shower back here. Sorry, these smaller spaces are a little bit tight sometimes. Walk-in closet. You can pop right back out here, the main corridor of the house. Do have a office, a study, formal sitting room, whatever you want to call it. Got your gas fireplace in there, nice little mantle. Could make it a gym, whatever you need it to be. So pretty neat. And these floors are travertine. They're sealed and polished, just to give you a heads up. Right over here, we have the other ensuite bedroom, another large bedroom. This one happens to have 2 beds in it. Yes, you can see there's a lot of decor on the walls. Here's the walk-in closet for it. And then right here, pop into a much larger ensuite bathroom. So do have a tub over there. Got a little bit of work going on, as you can see. Big walk-in shower. Got your bathroom right there. And then it has another door that leads out. We have a coat closet right there. Coming back into the main body of the house, we do have another side of the house right here. I'm not going to go out there. It's just a little side yard, a little patio. Be a great place to sit out at night, have a glass of wine, although you wouldn't sit here, you'd sit in the backyard and get those views. So there's another additional room. So like I said, 3 bedrooms, but you have 2 additional rooms that aren't like a living room or a kitchen or something like that. So this one's set up as a gym. You could do whatever you wanted. It does have that window into the additional parking area right there. And then you have another door which leads you right out to the garage areas as well. All right, so here we have the living room, kitchen, formal dining area. So we're just gonna kind of explore all of it. And one thing you're gonna notice is we got a lot of windows, a lot of natural light coming in, which is fantastic. And the views are even more fantastic. So big high ceilings again, these doors slide open. I do love this corner window right here, how it looks. Got a fireplace. Just kind of looking around. Piano stays with the house, so if you like this house, you want a piano, could be yours. And then if you like any of the furniture, that is also negotiable. I'm not sure about the animal mounts, if those are negotiable or not. So we're gonna roll right through here into the kitchen. We've got a nice big center island, got gas appliances, 5-burner cooktop right there in the center, expansive views. It's a big island out here. Kind of pop back in here, get some more of the kitchen here. A lot of storage space in here. There's your microwave, there's your built-in fridge, there's your double ovens. And off the fridge, or excuse me, off of the kitchen, here we have a formal dining area. So again, excuse me, great views. Like, it'd be a great place to host a dinner party. Absolutely great place. All right, so coming back here, that door goes into the 4-car garage, non-RV. Right here we have a nice big walk-in pantry. And then we have 2 entrances to the laundry room. So this one's off of the garage entrance side of the house. Nice and big, got the same cabinets and the same countertops that you're gonna find in the kitchen, so it keeps everything kind of matched up. A lot of additional storage in here. And then you have another, like, really big linen closet. So if you're keeping towels, your blankets, and all that stuff, it's right off the laundry room. And then right here, we're gonna roll into the primary bedroom, which is massive, absolutely huge. I mean, this is a big room, really big room, huge room. So got a fireplace in here, got a lot of windows, a lot of great light coming into it. You have your own entrance into the backyard, of course. Huge high ceilings. Let's pop into this bathroom. Got a nice big corner tub, big walk-in shower. Got one sink right here, a lot of mirrors. Got a second sink right over here. Got the toilet, more storage, big beautiful walk-in closet, full built out. Kind of pan around, get you the rest of it. All right, so now let's go into the backyard, because that's what we're really here to see, is lakeside views. And we're gonna pop right out here. And so you got new misters too. So if you're trying to keep it cool in the summertime, then you got all these misters. You got misters by the pool. You got beautiful Lake Mead right out there. Do have a nice putting green. So if you want to golf, you can golf. And then look at this. Look how close we are to, the backside mountains right here. And the cool thing is, so 11 acres of BLM land. So if you're worried about someone moving in behind you, well, it's BLM land, it's 11 acres, and there is Lake Mead right there. So that is not far at all. So you could probably see some really cool storms rolling in when it's thunder or monsoon season or whatnot. Like I said, if you want to golf, you got a couple little chipping zones right here set up. Got this gorgeous looking pool, 0-edge pool. So you could be in the hot tub, checking out the views. You can be on the pool, leaning against the edge, very resort style, checking out the views. And then I'm just gonna go to the edge of the property line here, kind of grab those views again. It's fantastic. we're a high side lot right here, so you can see we're well above the roof line of this other house. We are going to be a low side lot to this other house, but everyone's in their backyards. Everyone's looking out towards the lake, so it's not going to be an issue. Here's that side of the house over here. We kind of saw from inside the house. Back to this big patio. So the way this house faces, you're going to have, you can see the sun's coming over, so you're always going to have shaded patio. Afternoon, always in the shade, and then with this mister system, which is built in, so you don't have some hoses, you know, sticking out or whatnot. Like, you could keep this patio temperature really nice and cool. And then here we are. We'll call this the coup de grace. So great house, Boulder City. You're looking for a house with some sick Lake Mead views, an awesome pool, and then a house that you could do a lot with, entertain, live in, however it be. This could be a great option for you. So if you have any questions, we love helping people buy and sell homes. You can tell I'm not the best videographer. So give us a call. It's all my contact information. You're going to speak with me. I'm not going to hand you off to some artificial intelligence. If you'd like a home evaluation on your house, let us know. We can help you out with that. And thank you. Please like, subscribe, follow, pass it on to your friends, your family, and we'll catch you on the next home tour. Hope you have a blessed day.